This is Monique, and I want to welcome you back to the Resort Life channel. In this video, we will feature an in-person tour of the Ocean View Room at the Riu Palace in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Come with me as we take a tour of this great room. This Ocean View suite is extremely large, featuring over 400 square feet of living space. This particular room featured a king-size bed, but it's also available with 2 double beds. Each room has a flat-screen television with satellite service and a working desk, which I found to be pretty great. Look at this view. I can literally smell the jerk chicken in the air. The breeze was absolutely amazing. You can spend some wonderful nights sitting out on this balcony. You can hear the DJ playing from this room. All the rooms at the Riu have a refreshment center, which includes a refrigerator. The fridge at this time is not stocked due to COVID, but you can request specific items that you would like brought to the room. There is traditionally a liquor dispenser stocked with rums and other spirits. Hopefully they'll be able to resume that service soon as well. The extra large bathroom is the same as the garden double that I did a separate video on. The bathrooms have 2 vanities, a shower large enough for 2, and a private restroom. This room also has an in-room jacuzzi tub. If you are not a member of the Resort Life channel family, I invite you to join us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. You will receive notifications anytime I upload a new video. You can now see videos on the garden view, the ocean view, and the jacuzzi room at the Riu Palace in Montego Bay. Which room type are you interested in? Carmen and her staff here at the Palace will be happy to help you. Let me know in the comments. Until we meet post time. Blessings.